Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to be learning about what while loop is. So, before we begin, if you haven't watched my old Python tutorials, I highly recommend watching those, as I'll be talking a lot about stuff that we learned in those videos in here. And also, if you like the content that I post, please leave this video with a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, let's begin. So, let's understand what while loop is. So, what while loop is, it's while something's happening, it's like while a random operation do something. Okay, that's what it is. While a random operation is running, do something until the random operation is complete, or like something like that. So that's probably kind of confusing. So let me show you a real example. So let's make two variables. A equals 5, B equals 0. And let's make it while while A is bigger than B, print A is bigger than B. And if you run this, you see it's printing infinitely. You may be wondering, why is this happening? Well, the reason is because B is never getting bigger than A. We're not adding anything to B, it's just staying as 0 and A is staying as 5. That's why it's continuously running. So let's just stop it. And just so you know, if you're running a program and you want to stop it, you can click this red button and it stops. And let's do something. Let's make B equal B plus 1. What that does is that every time that this loop runs, B's value is plus 1. So it goes from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. And when it reaches 5, the loop stops. And to prove this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it's printed A is bigger than B. And now it's stopped. Because B's new value is 5. And let's look at this. Let's print B. And you see here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is going to be kind of confusing to you, because maybe you're wondering, where's 5? Well, as you know, in Python, all numbers when you add starts from 0. And if you think about it, once it reaches 5, it can't run anymore. 4 is the highest it can go because I didn't put an equal sign. If I did put an equal sign, that would make it be able to equal 5. So let's do that. Let's add an equal sign. And look, now it's 5. So this shows two things. One, Python is starting by 0 and it goes up. And 2, if you ask something to be as big as 5, it will only go up to 4 unless you put an equal sign, because it's not allowed to be equal or bigger. A always has to be bigger than B. I never said anything about allowing it to be equal, just bigger. So as soon as it's equal, it can't run anymore. So this is a random example. So before we continue on, please just write this down, as you will probably want to remake this program again. And now let's make another program. Let's make a variable name equal input. What is your name? Let's make this lowercase. And then num equals int input. And remember, if you ever want to make sure that the user puts in a number, put int. And then we ask enter a number, and then we make a equals 0. And now we're doing while num is bigger than a, print name. And then a equals a plus 1. What this will do is that if you run this, Josh 2, and it prints Josh 2 times. So I'll leave this for you guys. Hey guys, so my recording software just decided to stop recording. I'm not sure what's happened there, sorry about that. But what I was gonna say is that I'm gonna leave this program for you guys to figure out, and put in the comments below what you guys think it is. And if you guys really don't understand, if like a lot of people say they don't understand, I'll make an explanation video for you guys. So I hope you got something from this video about while loop, and consider subscribing, as I'm trying to get 100 subs by the end of the month, or maybe by the middle of next month. And with that said, goodbye.